Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be upgrading my DG member level to level 54, and let's see what we get from upgrading. So let's press upgrade here. This took me like a week to go from 53 to 54. But you only get this like Farmhouse simple garden tool recipe and one premium hobby upgrade ticket. Um, I've upgraded a few of my hobbies, so I don't really know like what hobby I should upgrade because I'm not seeing any rainbows so far. I might do gardening, but I know gardening is like the least exciting hobby to upgrade. So let me know in the comment section down below which one I should upgrade. There is bird watching, insect catching, cooking, gardening, and fishing. Obviously, I think I'm going to do either these three first, the gardening, insect catching, or bird watching ones. But yeah, that's what you get when you have reached level 54. Let's see what we get once we've reached level 64, because I actually haven't seen it. Okay, so ooh, for 63, we get this super cool retro built-in oven. Then 64 is just like a retro cabinet. I think 63's rewards are more intriguing. But yeah, we'll get more hobby upgrade tickets. When do we not get it? We won't get it at level 58. We won't get it. And then, okay, we get the rest. I might upgrade gardening, but let's see what I upgrade later on. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!